Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll walk you through the easy steps to reset your Euki Dash Cam to its factory settings. So, let's get started. First, power on your camera. You can connect it to your car or directly to a charger at home. Once the dash cam is connected to electricity, grab your smartphone. Open the Jarvis Cam app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it by scanning the barcode provided in the video. The first one is for iOS devices, and the second is for Android devices. Once the app is installed and launched, connect your dash cam to your phone. Simply tap on Connect in the app and then connect to the dash cam Wi-Fi network. You may be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password for the camera. The default password is from 1 to 8. Once the connection is established, turn off all other apps on your smartphone and then reopen the Jarvis Cam app. Now, you'll see your camera on your smartphone screen. To perform a factory reset, first, stop any ongoing recordings. After stopping the recording, tap on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Factory Reset option. And then tap on Factory Reset. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap OK to confirm the factory reset. And that's it! You successfully reset the Euki Dash Cam to its factory settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.